I've been called to make this video because I want to say a few words about living with cancer. You know, everyone tends to perhaps minimize what one goes through, and I just want to say it's really hard. And you know, one lives with death in one's mind every day, and one suffers from so many side effects from chemo. For example, sores in your mouth, on your lips, the neuropathy, the numbness of your hands. Also, fatigue. Brain fog. I'm very forgetful. That's not normal for me. The fear of what's next, what's going to happen in the future. So I definitely try to live in the present, which is something I never lived with prior to now. I'm really trying to live today. But I also want to say that I wish for all of you to listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, do not ignore it. Also, change your priorities. Your health is number one, not work, not meetings, not any of that. So, I just wanted to put a light on this disease. And of course, I think of my son every day. And the thought of leaving him just destroys my heart. So, please enjoy your loved ones. Look at your priorities. Because one day, tomorrow, today, somebody you love may not be here for any reason. So anyways, I wanted to make this video just to put a light on cancer and the hardness that it is to live with it, and the fear and just everything that surrounds it. I wish you all health, and if you have health, treasure it. Please. I'm sorry to be so sentimental this time, but my heart hurts. I love you all. And don't forget about the people you love, because once again, they not be here soon or whenever. Do not take anything or anyone for granted. It's so huge. It's such a trigger for me to see people prioritizing things that do not have value. So this is just to put a light on your life, or on yourself, or anyone. Be well, everyone. I love you. Thank you.